What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining my channel today. Today I'm going to be painting the bumper of my truck. At the bottom half of the truck, it has some little fading going on there. You guys can see that? But yeah, you can see that. But anyway, yeah, we're going to be painting that part of the bumper its original color, black. I wanted to do it the same color as the truck, but I think I'm just keep it black to match the fender guards there with the fender flares. Anyway, I'll probably be replacing them too as well. But anyway, I'm gonna do them the same color. I'm gonna wipe it down, wash it down, and make sure it's clean and kind of smooth a little bit, and then let it dry for a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay the tarp down on the ground, and then I'm gonna dry the truck up, and then we're gonna start painting it. I want to give it a little time to dry, but it ain't gonna take that long to dry. But anyway, yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, some people call me Dennis, some people call me Chance. I'm something like an idol, something like romance. Thanks for checking out my channel, I appreciate it. Come and show me some love, and hit me up with a sub.
Okay, so don't think I'm crazy because I got my headphones on. I got them on because the gnats are bad out here. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on, and plus I wanna have music to listen to. So yeah, that's what the headphones are for. All right, let's get to it. Okay, I don't finish cleaning it. I don't finish cleaning the bumper, and right now it's kind of dry. I hand dried it with a with an old shirt that I had, but it did the job. We got it clean. So we're going now. Now we're gonna lay the tarp down, and we'll pull the truck up a little bit more, and then we're gonna start painting. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, I know you guys probably wonder what's the tarp for. I have the tarp so that I won't get any paint on the grass or neither on the little patio that we got back here. So I'm not gonna move the truck up. I'm gonna leave it right where it is because I think it's all right where it is. So okay, so yeah, and the paint that I'm going to use is made by Duplicolor. You guys see that? It's made by Duplicolor, perfect match. But yeah, this is the flat black color. As you can see right there, fat black. Come on, focus anyway. But yeah, this is the paint that I'm using to put on the bumper down there, and you can find it at O'Reilly's. And it's about around $10, I believe, $11 somewhere in there. But it's not bad for an 8-ounce can, and it should be enough to take care of the whole bottom part of the bumper, the black part that's faded. So let's get to it. This tape is just regular masking tape. I picked it up from Walmart. It wasn't that much. Probably been like maybe $2 or something like that, $3, but I'm not sure. But yeah, just regular masking tape from Walmart. It works to keep the paint from getting on the chrome part of the bumper. All right. Pretty much got the whole bumper painted, and all I have to do now is probably just let it sit for a minute or two. Looks like it don't take that long to dry, but this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I pretty much used the should went down a little bit more. I pretty much used the whole can of paint, and it got the entire bumper, even up under it a little bit. Yeah, but the whole can will do this whole bumper. So yeah, I'm gonna let that dry just a little bit, and eventually I will replace the bumper. the bottom part because of this crack right here. But as for right now, you know, just trying to get the most bang for my buck at the moment. But anyway, but as for right now, just I'm gonna just deal with it, and because it don't look that bad. You don't really see the crack at the bottom unless you really come up on it. But so far it looks good. Now we're gonna peel that tape off, and we're gonna see what it looks like after that. So I did let it sit for a minute, for about 5 minutes. So now we're gonna peel the tape off, and we're gonna see what it looks like now. Okay. Okay, so far it doesn't look bad. It looks good. I did miss a few spots, but that's only because it's like where the tape might have stuck out a little bit further than others. So I will go back and touch those up because I still have a little bit more paint in the can. See this spot right here? That's just from where the tape was sticking up when I was painting it. So all I gotta do is put a little tape up under there, and then I'll go back over that part. But so far, the bumper looks amazing, better than it did before. At first, it was like a Dalmatian, but now it looks pretty good. You know, got it black, you know, like a deep black like I wanted it. So yeah, looks really daggone good. But yeah, just want to show you guys that, and show you what it looks like from afar. And looks pretty good. Yeah, looks good. Anyway, I know this is not the norm for my channel. This is something different. I just got this truck. It's a 2006 Chevy Silverado, and I love it. I'm gonna hook it up and I'm gonna make it my own, and that's gonna be that. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment if you want to. Let me know if you have any ideas for my truck, if I need to add something else to it or whatever. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Be blessed. Peace.